Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Wambam Fence is probably one of the most versatile and durable fencing solutions available on the market today, offering a unique blend of strength, aesthetic appeal, and ease of installation that makes it an attractive option for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to enhance your property's curb appeal, create a secure enclosure for pets and children, or simply add a touch of elegance to your garden, the Wambam Fence stands out as a reliable and stylish choice that promises to elevate your outdoor living space. Number 5. Zippity Madison White Vinyl Picket Fence Gate Kit. Introducing our Zippity Madison Gate Kit, designed for quick and easy setup. Simply dig holes and secure the extended posts for optimal stability, with optional gravel or concrete for added reinforcement. This gate is specifically designed to seamlessly integrate with our Madison vinyl fence panels. It ensures a cohesive and attractive look for your outdoor space. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe with this sturdy gate. Its robust construction provides a secure barrier for your backyard, patio, or garden. We're committed to sustainability. Our vinyl is made from recycled PVC, reprocessed and reinforced to reduce our carbon footprint while creating a high-quality product. Everything you need is included. You'll receive a stainless steel latch, hinges, supporting posts, decorative fence wings with posts, and post caps for a complete installation. The entire gate kit spans over 5 feet wide, with the gate itself measuring nearly 3 feet wide. It's designed for optimal stability when installed with its supporting wings. What we like. This gate kit is specifically designed for the Madison vinyl fence panels. It's made with recycled PVC, making it an eco-friendly choice. If you already have Madison fence panels and need a gate, this is the perfect, compatible option. What people say. The Wambam fence is easy to install and looks great in the yard. The fence is sturdy and has held up well against wind and rain. The interlocking design makes it simple to connect panels and create a custom layout. Number 4. Wambam Newport White Vinyl Fence Kit. Create a secure outdoor space for your loved ones. This fence provides a strong and reliable barrier to keep your family safe and sound. Enjoy the strength of a traditional fence without the mess. It installs permanently with an included steel anchor, so no concrete is needed. Get your fence set up in under an hour. Just pound in the anchor, slide on the sleeve, and build the panel. Our guides make it easy for anyone. Crafted from high-quality PVC, this fence is built to last. It's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. This kit includes almost everything for your project. Just one additional post and an optional gate are needed to complete your fencing. What we like. This fence kit offers a sturdy barrier for pets and children without the hassle of concrete. It installs easily with a steel anchor. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-install fence that provides safety and peace of mind, this is a great choice. What people say. The Wambam fence is easy to install and looks great in the yard. The fence is durable and has held up well against the elements. The design allows for easy customization to fit different yard shapes. Number 3. Wambam Nantucket 4-foot x 6-foot White Vinyl Picket Fence Kit. Introducing the Wambam Nantucket Fence Kit. It provides a simple and effective way to secure your outdoor space. Create a safe haven for your children and pets. This fence offers a sturdy and reliable barrier for peace of mind. Enjoy the strength of a permanent fence without the mess of concrete. Its innovative no-dig design installs easily with an included steel anchor. Installation is a breeze, even for beginners. You can have your fence set up in less than an hour with our easy-to-follow guides. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, this fence is built to last. It's backed by a limited lifetime warranty for your confidence. This kit contains almost everything you need for your project. Just one additional post and a compatible gate are needed to complete your fence. What we like. This fence kit is built for strength and simplicity, providing a safe enclosure for your loved ones. The no-dig post system means no concrete is required. If you prioritize ease of installation and a secure, long-lasting barrier for your yard, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Wambam fence is easy to install and looks great in the yard. The fence is made of durable material that has held up well against the weather. It provides excellent privacy and security for our pets. Number 2. 10 Panels Garden Fence Outdoor. This outdoor fence is crafted from high-quality wire with an anti-rust coating. It's built to withstand harsh weather, ensuring long-lasting performance against sun and rain. Setting up this fence is a breeze. Just insert the included metal stakes into the ground through the panels for a stable and rigid barrier. Use it as a temporary fence, garden border, or animal barrier. It's perfect for protecting plants, flower beds, and keeping pets contained. Easily customize its shape to fit your space. You can add or remove panels as needed, creating the perfect configuration without any digging. This fence effectively prevents dogs and other pets from escaping or entering your garden areas. It provides reliable containment for your beloved animals. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions, please reach out, and we'll respond within 24 hours to assist you. What we like. This metal fencing is rust-proof and built to last, even in harsh weather. Its no-dig design with ground stakes makes installation a breeze. If you need a versatile, temporary fence for containment or decoration that can be easily configured to different shapes, this is ideal. What people say. The Wambam Fence is easy to install and looks great in the yard. The fence is made of durable material that has held up well against the weather. The interlocking design makes it simple to connect multiple panels for a seamless look. Number 1. Getlay 48 Decorative Iron Garden Fence with Gate. Introducing our 48-inch decorative garden fence, crafted from heavy-duty iron for lasting durability. It's designed to beautifully protect your yard and garden spaces. Perfect for gardens, lawns, or even indoors as a pet barrier. Its thoughtful design ensures it complements your landscape without being obtrusive. Setting it up is a breeze, requiring no tools. Simply connect the panels and insert the ground stakes for a stable and secure enclosure. Easily shape it into squares, rectangles, or circles to fit your specific layout. Its modular design offers endless possibilities for your outdoor or indoor needs. The low gate design allows for easy access for both you and your pets. It's built for convenience and functionality in any setting. Constructed with thickened iron and a rust prevention surface, this fence is built to withstand the elements and maintain its aesthetic appeal. What we like. Constructed from thickened iron with rust prevention, this fence offers both durability and style. It comes with a convenient gate and requires no tools for assembly. If you're looking for a sturdy yet portable decorative fence with a gate for your yard or as a pet barrier, this is a practical solution. What people say. The Wambam Fence is easy to install and looks great in the yard. The fence is durable and has held up well against the elements. The design is modern and sleek, adding a nice touch to the landscaping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.